Deforestation is the permanent destruction of forests and forest areas to make the land available for other uses. Many a time, man destroys forest land to construct factories, buildings, etc. in its place. This not only destroys the plant life there, but also the animal life that depends on it. Deforestation also leads to increased carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere, soil erosion, and natural disasters such as floods and landslides due to climatic changes. Furthermore, destruction of forests means loss of habitat for animals and plant life. Conservation of forests. Forests are renewable resources. A lot of forests and forest areas are being cut, mainly because of increasing population. However, the government is taking active steps to protect our forests and the wildlife that depends on them. Conservation of forests and wildlife go hand in hand. The government has built many zoos, national parks, and wildlife sanctuaries to protect endangered species of animals. Some well-known national parks and wildlife sanctuaries are the Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, the Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Gir Sanctuary in Gujarat, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala, Chilika Bird Sanctuary in Odisha, and Sariska Tiger Reserve in Rajasthan. The Chipko movement has set an example in forest conservation when the villagers in Uttarakhand protested against the deforestation of the Terai forests simply by hugging the trees. That is why this movement is called the Chipko, that is, to hug movement. The movement was started by Gaura Devi with the help of local village women folk. Steps taken by the government to protect and preserve our forests and wildlife. The government actively encourages planting of saplings in order to increase green areas in our country. Forests are looked after by protecting trees from parasites or fungi, by chemical spraying. National parks and wildlife sanctuaries are a good method of forest conservation, since it ensures regular maintenance of forests. Proper use and utilization of forest products ensures progress and development of forests. Children are also taught the importance of forest conservation and the disadvantages of deforestation. Thus, now we have learned about the forests of India.
Some of the national parks in India are Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Kaziranga National Park in Assam, Sundarbans Tiger Reserve in West Bengal, Gir National Park in Gujarat, Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh, and Vandipur National Park in Karnataka, to name a few.